Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Daily. Today we are going to learn daily house chores in English. These are simple sentences you can use every day at home. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English step by step. Let's get started. I wash the dishes after dinner every day. Can you dry the plates with this towel? Sure, I'd be happy to. Thanks, you're a lifesaver. It is my turn to empty the dishwasher. Okay, go for it. I need to clean the fridge because it is dirty.
My mother cooks dinner for the whole family.
Please set the table for lunch.
Okay, Mom.
Don't forget to clear the table after eating.
Okay, Mom.
I usually boil the water for coffee in the morning.
We need to scrub the kitchen sink.
Okay, we'll get it done.
Yeah!
I wipe the kitchen counter every night, just to keep it clean and tidy. I sweep the floor with a broom.
He mops the floor every weekend.
I try to keep it clean. Can you vacuum the carpet in the living room?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Great, thanks. Don't forget to wash the curtains.
Oh, right, I will. My sister dusts the furniture on Saturdays. I clean the windows once a month.
We need to tidy up the living room before guests arrive.
Okay, Mom, I'm helping.
Great job, team.
I scrub the toilet every Sunday. It's part of my weekly routine. A clean bathroom is a happy bathroom.
Please wipe the mirror in the bathroom.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
My brother takes out the rubbish every evening. I organize my bookshelf when I am bored. It gives me something fun to do.
I do the laundry twice a week. Can you load the washing machine?
I hang the clothes out to dry in the sun.
My mom folds the clothes neatly.
Please put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
Okay, Mom.
I hate ironing my shirts.
I need to change the bed sheets today.
I put away my clothes in the wardrobe.
The clothes are dry, so I will bring them in.
I water the plants in the garden every morning. It helps them grow strong and healthy. I take care of the garden on weekends.
I wash the car on Saturday mornings.
I have to feed the dog twice a day. Can you walk the dog in the park? My father paints the fence in the summer. I clean the cat's litter box every day.
We sort the recycling into glass and paper.
Okay, Dad.
Great job today! Now you know many house chores sentences in English. Practice these sentences every day, and you will speak more naturally and confidently.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Daily. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!